Welcome back to my channel, The Kristina Love. I am Kristina Love. I share videos related to motherhood and lifestyle. Today, I have an exciting video that I've been waiting to be able to share. I have an unboxing video with Body Bahama. So it is officially fall. What do people think about when they think about fall? Toasted marshmallows, glazed donuts, pumpkin rolls, pumpkin pie, waffles, hot chocolate, just yum. Food, the delicious scent of fall. So when Body Bahama reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try some of their handmade bath and body products, what do you think I said? Yes. So I picked up this box, which was delivered on the mailboat. If you're in the Bahamas, you already know what the mailboat is all about. If you're from outside of the Bahamas, the mailboat is the original way that cargo gets between different islands. So I live on the island of New Providence, which is where the capital is, but this was shipped to me from Grand Bahama. I have been itching to open this box. Today is the day. All right, let's see what goodies we have in here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That smells so delicious. So this, I can't stop smelling it. So this is Pineapple Tart Bath Bomb. And that is exactly what this smells like. It is Bahamian inspired and smells so amazing. This smells just like pineapple tart. The ingredients of the bath bombs have tons of moisturizing properties. They are made with skin-loving oils and skin-friendly cleansers that offer a rich lather. Pineapple tart is scented in sweet pineapples, vanilla cake, orange zest, and brown sugar. So you know this smells good. It's so beautiful. There's like sparkle in there and shimmer, and it actually looks like sand from the beach, that beautiful white sand. So I can't wait to try that. I also have the Johnny Cake Foaming Sugar Scrub, scented in warm spices, vanilla tonka, jasmine, coconut, and cocoa butter. Oh my goodness. Ooh, oh my goodness. This smells amazing. Our foaming sugar scrubs are made from scratch using skin-loving cleansers and gentle surfactants. We use cane sugar as the exfoliant, and it leaves your skin feeling soft to the touch and polished to perfection. Johnny Cake smells absolutely amazing. It is scented in warm spices, vanilla tonka, jasmine, coconut, and cocoa butter. This is like, I'm getting too excited. So I also have another foaming sugar scrub. This is in the glazed donut scent, and if I'm not mistaken, this is a brand new scent. This one is scented with apple donuts and sugar. Oh. Okay, you'd miss that when I open this, but look at this. It's just, oh. Body Bahama is coming to steal all your money, because this stuff, oh my, this smells like a real donut. I shouldn't be eating donuts at this point in my life, at this time of day when I'm filming this. Y'all really don't want to know what time I'm filming this. This is gonna be good. I'm unboxing all these goodies, but I'm going to film a fall nighttime routine. So give me a thumbs up if you want to see that. Leave in the comments what are some of the products that you would like to see featured in that video, and what is your favorite fall scent. Also, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed, welcome back. And let's continue to see what other goodies I have. We have a Cashmere body cream, enriched with shea butter, cocoa butter, and coconut oil. All of those sound amazing. Ooh, just popped right up there, didn't it? A really Nice, clean, fresh scent. I knew a scent like this, like I loved a scent like this back when I was in high school. You know how scents have the power to bring you back to a particular moment in time or place, or even remind you of a person? Thank goodness this doesn't remind me of a person, but yeah, this reminds me of high school in a very good way, because I loved school. Nerd alert. Our body creams are enriched with shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, and vitamin E to ensure extremely moisturized skin. We've created a light, non-greasy formula that allows for our creams to be worn year-round. Cashmere is a unisex fragrance and is scented in bergamot, mahogany, and musk. And I must say, this is very lightweight and non-greasy because it's already absorbed into my skin, and like it's not greasy at all. Just nice and fresh and clean. And I see why it's a unisex scent. Like, it's one of those scents that, you know, I don't want to share my lotion, but I may have to share it with my husband. Ooh. Turmeric and tea tree cleansing facial scrub. This is a gentle cleansing facial scrub with rosehip and essential oils for oily, acne-prone skin. That's me, oily and acne-prone. And this is sealed because turmeric is, ooh, it's like nice and minty. And of course it has that yellow color from the turmeric. But this is like a really good amount of product. It has a good consistency. The scents are amazing. And it's made in the Bahamas. Marvelously Bahamian. Our turmeric and tea tree facial scrub is a daily exfoliator that is gentle for all skin types, but formulated for oily, acne-prone skin. This scrub buffs your skin's surface to remove dead skin cells, leaving your face feeling smoother and shine-free. This product contains essential oils and should be used with caution if you have allergic reactions to essential oils. So one thing about face care, always, always, always check the ingredients to make sure you are not allergic. What's next? What's next? The Activated Charcoal Mud Mask. Foaming Facial Mask Cleanser and Mud Bath. Mud bath? Oh my goodness. This is gonna be fun. So this is one of their new products. The Activated Charcoal Mask can be used as a facial cleanser, a facial mask, a spa bath treatment, scalp treatment and shampoo. What? Foot soak or manicure soak. It contains Canadian marine glacial clay, which is considered to be the creme de la creme of cosmetic clays because of its high mineral content. This clay's negative ion charge attracts most positively charged bacteria, contaminants, and toxins, thereby detoxifying, rejuvenating, revitalizing, and deep cleaning your skin to a new radiance. I like that it's a skincare product and it does not have fragrance. It's pretty much fragrance free because it is a clay. So that makes me feel really good about this. And I love that you can use it in so many different ways. So I will definitely be using this like as a spa bath treatment or in my hair and my scalp. Activated charcoal. Next up, we have the Hydrating Facial Cream with hyaluronic acid, argan, and rosehip oils for all skin types. And yep, the same thing that I mentioned about it being fragrance free, you can't even smell this, which is good because I lean on the side of having sensitive skin, so I'm very sensitive to anything that has fragrance that I'm applying to my face. The star ingredient in this facial cream is the hyaluronic acid. This acid is produced naturally in our skin and organs but decreases as we age. Hyaluronic acid in this cream keeps your skin moisturized and radiant. And who doesn't want moisturized, radiant skin, especially during the fall? You know, days are more overcast. Here in the Bahamas, they are rainy, but you still want your skin to glow no matter what. And this is also one of the things I have been waiting for. If I can get it open. Fighting with packaging. But no, this is perfect because, as I mentioned, this was shipped on the mailboat. And this is a candle, so She took all precautions to make sure it arrived intact. This is the glazed donut candle. And I'm pretty sure this is what I smelled when I first opened the box. Yes, 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 yes. Our candles are made using non-toxic natural para soy wax. This is a blend between paraffin and soy wax that is clean burning and great at holding fragrance. I wish you could smell it. It smells really good, but it's not overpowering. You know, sometimes you'll get a new candle and you don't even have to light it because the scent is so powerful. But this, it smells like a glazed donut, exactly like a big glazed donut, but it's a subtle scent. Like, it isn't overpowering at all. And I like that it's soy and paraffin because it won't have that black smoke when you light it. Ooh, so I'm so excited about all of my fall goodies. Again, these were gifted to me from Body Bahama, and I am so excited to be a Body Bahama ambassador. Body Bahama prides itself on making all of its products handmade with love, using the finest ingredients to help customers practice proper self-care and skincare. And guess what? It's all made in the Bahamas. So if you want to buy local, support local, I recommend checking out Body Bahama's Instagram page and their website. Then you can see what the collection is, some of the new products that they have, and you can place an order. And they can get it to you wherever you are. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing with Body Bahama. I am looking forward to filming my fall nighttime routine featuring some of these products. So let me know in the comments, have you tried any of these products? Have you tried Body Bahama? And what are some of your favorite fall goodies? Don't forget to like this video if you like it, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I will see you in the next video.